Transform your ceilings with PARÉ Baffle systems. This is a step-by-step guide for a PARÉ Baffle installation. Here, we are installing PARÉ Baffle systems on the ceiling using GI framing. First, select the area on which PARÉ baffles will be installed. Measure the selected area accurately to ensure a precise fit. For the GI framing, you will need three components. Number 1, ceiling angle made of GI. Number 2, bottom channel made of GI. And number 3, screws. Begin by installing the ceiling angles on the selected area with the required height. Here, we are taking a height of 600 mm or 2 feet. The spacing for ceiling channels has to be 600 mm apart from each other, both vertically and horizontally. Next, install the bottom channels on the ceiling angle with a spacing of 600 mm between each channel. The baffle system consists of three components: the baffle top, the baffle bottom and the finishing cap. Screw the baffle bottom directly onto the bottom channel, maintaining a distance of 50 to 150 mm center to center, depending on your site or your architect's specifications. Interlock the baffle top with the baffle bottom one after another. To interlock, simply push the baffle top against the baffle bottom until you hear a click sound. And there you have it, a professional finish for any space. Thank you for watching.